Welcome to Healthy Journey. In the ancient world, amidst bustling markets and trading routes, there was one treasure sought after by kings and sages alike: frankincense. This golden resin, with a fragrance as captivating as its story, has been a symbol of prestige and healing for centuries. Its unique aroma wafted through the grand corridors of Egyptian temples and Roman palaces, a scent marking both spiritual and medicinal significance. Moving from the annals of history to the realm of modern science, frankincense continues to hold an esteemed place. Today, it's not just an aromatic indulgence, but a subject of research for its potential health benefits. From skincare to aromatherapy, from holistic medicine to possibly even cancer treatment, frankincense is a testament to nature's enduring gifts. As we unlock its secrets, we continue to be fascinated by its power, versatility, and the deep-rooted history it carries. So what exactly is frankincense? Frankincense is derived from the resin of the boswellia tree, native to the Arabian Peninsula, Africa, and India. This mystical resin has been tapped from these trees for millennia, a practice that requires both an intimate knowledge of the tree's cycle and a delicate touch. The process begins by making careful incisions in the bark, a technique that allows the tree's milky sap to bleed out. This sap then hardens in the arid desert air, forming what are often referred to as tears of frankincense. These tears are then collected, a task often carried out in the early morning when the cooler temperatures make the resin easier to handle. Once gathered, the resin undergoes a purification process where it's sorted by hand to remove any impurities. It's then left to dry, a step that solidifies its transformation from tree sap to the precious frankincense we know today. Once harvested, frankincense can be used in various forms, including essential oils, incense, and topical preparations. One of the most popular uses of frankincense is in aromatherapy and skincare. This ancient resin, when transformed into essential oil, reveals a trove of skin-loving properties. It's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, offering a natural solution to pesky skin problems like acne. It's also a potent anti-aging agent, tackling wrinkles by promoting cell regeneration and keeping your skin healthy and youthful. But frankincense is not just skin deep. It's a beloved component of aromatherapy. Its rich, earthy scent is more than just pleasant. It's calming, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. When used in meditation, it's said to enhance spiritual connection and introspection. Experts in the field can't stop singing its praises. Dermatologists recommend it for its skin benefits, while yoga instructors and therapists often integrate frankincense into their practices for its calming effects. The earthy aroma of frankincense helps to calm the mind and deepen meditation practice. Its use dates back thousands of years in various spiritual rituals. Furthermore, recent studies have shown that frankincense may have potential benefits for relieving pain and inflammation, supporting the immune system, and even fighting certain types of cancer. Let's delve into that. Modern medicine is increasingly interested in natural remedies and substances with the potential to bolster our health. Frankincense, with its millennia-long history of medicinal use, is no exception. Its anti-inflammatory properties, for instance, have been found beneficial in managing conditions such as arthritis. Moreover, it's not just about alleviating physical discomfort. Frankincense is also being studied for its potential to support mental health, with some research suggesting its aroma may help alleviate anxiety and depression. But perhaps the most exciting development is in the field of oncology. Scientists are examining the compounds found within frankincense resin for their potential anti-cancer properties. Some preliminary research suggests that these compounds may inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. The compounds found in frankincense resin have demonstrated promising anti-cancer properties in preclinical studies. While more research is needed, these findings offer hope for the development of novel cancer treatments. From ancient civilizations to modern science, the benefits and uses of frankincense continue to fascinate and inspire. A treasure that once graced the chambers of kings and sages, frankincense remains as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. Harvested from the resilient boswellia tree, this golden resin has found its place in a multitude of uses. In skincare and aromatherapy, frankincense is praised for its potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and its calming aroma that aids meditation. In modern medicine, it emerges as a beacon of hope, with ongoing research exploring its potential in pain relief, immune support, and even cancer treatment. Frankincense, a timeless treasure, has journeyed from the ancient temples and palaces to our modern labs, proving its enduring allure. As we continue to delve into its secrets, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay healthy and happy in your life journey.